actually that cold.
No.
Say hi.
That would have been freezing.
So this is the fire pit table.
Smells nice.
I think I need to space the stones out a little bit, but it's working nice.
It's weird how it goes off.
Yeah, I think I need to space the stones out a little bit more
Why is it blue?
because the gas is on. But I think what I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to take half the stones away, I think, and just let a bit more of the air get to it. But the idea is still there. And then the rest of the garden.
I'm scared to touch something, but I don't want to.
Are you getting in the pool, Mia?
I don't know,
Get in the pool.
but I can barely breathe in my room. It's that warm.
Barely breathing. Really.
It's so